Okay, let's look at 8i now. So given that we got this log equation here, express b in terms of a. So this is quite okay. If you're not sure about logs, the key idea is that when you're subtracting logs with the same bases like 3 here, it means we can divide the insides. For example, we can just say that log, let's say 3a minus log base 3b is the same as log a over b, literally. So now we just divide these two. So we can say therefore these two here is going to become log 3 big bracket 3b plus 1 over a minus 2, and all that's equal to -1. Now the cool thing here is, like adding, subtracting, or inverse operations, we can effectively remove the logs by taking exponentials on both sides. To do that, all we have to do is firstly keep these values, this base value here, so 3b plus 1 fixed of a minus 2, and literally raise this using the stepping method. That is, bring 3 up and then -1 up as well. So all this is going to equal 3 to the power -1. So this is just going up the ladder. So the way this works, you bring this up and that goes up. Yeah, that's how you clear the logs. Now you just solve. Now you just make b the subject. So 3 to the -1 is 1/3, so we can just update that. Let me just update it actually. So this is going to be 1/3. Now you just cross multiply. So I'm going to multiply 3 across and a minus 2 to the other side. So we're going to have 3 times 3b plus 1 equals 1 times a minus 2. So now expanding the bracket, we're going to get 9b plus 3 equals a minus 2. Subtracting 3 across, you get 9b equals a minus 5, and that's it, guys. B is going to equal a minus 5 divided by 9. Very easy question, very easy.